Playboy on this bitch, but he ain't playing.
Cut my ties with my people, now my grandfather poppin'. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flopped though. Yeah, in my head I know what I know. Oh, and I say I count 50s all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that time now, baby. Oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up.
We pop tags everywhere. You know what I mean? It's what it is. Space everywhere. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's going down, man. Ain't nothing new. Y'all done seen this before. I'm gonna let y'all see it again. Look at that spin. Yeah, a little something, something, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'll give you 50 Shades of Grey over here. For real. Yeah, ain't nothing. Nice. Jeremy and them came through, cleaned me up. Appreciate it, homie. Bless the game. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing new. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Lighting, all that, boom. Master, nice. Closet, right. You know what I'm saying? Boom, bam. Just like that. Up and down, back and around. Loving that window. Look like glass in there, baby. We shining. We shining like Pimp C, man. We shining, man. We shining like diamonds.
Take folks switches, make the Chevy get busy. All my hoes go get it and they pull up on me with it. Selling dreams for a living. I stashed a few million, I done smashed a few rich one. Cougar women, big business. 20 G's each appearance. On stage in 6 minutes. Fresh as Dougie, yeah, I did it. For my gangsters not living off in the compound. Jaws are OG around. Lot of hitters in the room. You don't want to get laid down.
I wake up early in the morning. At the crack of dawn, niggas still tired, so I'm yawning. And now I'm gone, trying to get my money on strong. So an early riser out before the mother guy. That's the way to profit.
You better know it. You better know we do that, baby. Clean it in the whistle. Who do it better than this? I'll wait for it. I ain't even tripping. You see it. Ain't doing no tripping. Everything new. That's what we do. Look at the lighting. We gonna give you all that. Give you all that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Boys better stop playing with it. Yeah. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. I love light work, man. Y'all done seen it before. That's what we do. Ain't nothing new. Ain't nothing changed but the date. You know what I mean? Lights, you know what I mean? Lights, camera, action. You know what I mean? The cloud issue. You know what I'm saying? Spin, 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 spin. That's what they want to see. Me. Yeah, that window be killing them. Yeah. Ain't nothing new, man. That's what we do. It's a little light work, you know what I mean? Bow, gone. Coming back through. One last spin.
Steady progressing while you sleeping. My pay increasing each and every season. My team leading, but I gotta stay composed. Walk up in the building like I've been there before. The game full of smoke. I got immune to it, find a way to breathe in it. Maneuver through it like a foggy evening. I'm still beasting. I never folded, I never faded. My table been prepared for me and I'm still eating. Made a lane and got it off the pavement. Real hustlers don't get the proper credit unless it's drug related. I stay squared, this revenge of the nerd. Came out of diamond, man, it's crazy how life work.